Hello guys! Welcome back na naman sa ating channel, and for today's video, of course, another how-tos by Yanna Cruz na naman ang ating gagawin for today. So, ngayon ang tuturo ko sa inyo naman ay kung paano ba mag-highlight ng inyong face. Alright, so para mas lumabas pa yung key point parts ng ating face, so ituturo natin yan sa inyo, or gagawin natin yan maya-maya lang para naman you can learn how to effectively highlight your face. Alright, so kung bago ka sa ating channel, and also kung di mo pa napapanood yung mga previous videos natin ng how-to such as foundation, contour, kilay, and also, I will link them down below on the description box. So please do check it out, guys. And also, sana you also like this video. And again, if ganito yung mga gusto mong videos na panoorin, then consider subscribing. Alright, so without further ado, guys, let's start with the tutorial. Alright guys, so nakapaglagay na ako ng aking foundation, and also naayos ko naman yung aking brows. So now is ipapakita na natin kung ano ba yung mga areas na ating face, or key points areas na ating face na dapat is na-highlight. So for today's product is gagamitin natin yung intense cover ng ating Detail Makeover. So it is a intense cover concealer from Detail. So this is in the shade Fair. So as you can see, guys, ito yung ating T-zone. So, actually, yan yung dapat na i-highlight natin sa ating face. So, we will go first from the under eye. So, with this applicator pala, guys, it comes with a parang brush na rin na parang pipisilin mo lang. Then, yung product is lalabas na. So, again, guys, first is yung dito, sa ating under eyes. Pipisilin ko muna siya. And then ayan, pati na rin sa kabila. So dapat, guys, is medyo pa-V yung ating pag-apply nitong concealer, kasi ito yung gusto nating ma-highlight eh. Itong under eye together hanggang dito sa pababa, sa ating cheeks. Aside from that, is gusto rin natin i-highlight yung dito sa ating taas. So, maglalagay din tayo dito sa ating forehead. Like that. Also, sa gitna na rin ng ating nose. And dito na rin sa ating chin. Dagdag pa natin ang sa taas. There. So, ganyan yung gusto nating itsura para mas lumabas yung parts ng ating face na dapat hinahighlight natin, nilalagyan natin ng concealer. So with this is ang gagamitin natin to blend this is either you can actually use your brush, but I prefer, again, a damp sponge. Alright? Alright, so guys, using your damp sponge, i-blend lang natin siya like this. Sama nyo na rin, guys, yung sa inyong eyelids. And sa forehead. ating chin. Alright, so there you go. So, kapag na-blend na natin siya ng maayos, ganyan yung magiging kakalabasan niya. So, as you can see guys, just make sure na you blend it really well para hindi rin siya, mag-cake sa inyong face. Alright, so as you can see, na-highlight yung ating under eyes, yung ating chin, and also na rin yung ating forehead, and also yung ating nose. Then again, after this is you also make sure that you will always set your concealer with a powder. It can be a loose powder or a compact or a face powder, kung ano man yung mas gusto nyo. So again, if yung coverage ng inyong concealer is medyo full or medium coverage na siya or full coverage, then just use a translucent para lang hindi na siya mag-add ng coverage. Pero kung hindi naman ganun ka-full and nakukulangan ka pa sa coverage ng inyong concealer, then again, you can use an added or a powder na may added coverage. Alright? So, maglagay lang din tayo or iset na natin siya with a powder. Alright guys, so again, before you set your face with the powder, make sure na it's blended really well. So kung medyo, nakita nyo kung medyo may nagbubuo dyan or nagbubuo dyan sa ilalim ng inyong eyes or kahit saang part kung saan naglagay kayo ng inyong concealer, is make sure na i-blend nyo muna siya ulit or daanan nyo lang siya ulit para lang, hindi siya mag-cake. So, daanan nyo lang siya again ulit na mabilis ng inyong sponge. And then, set it with the powder na. I will just be using the same sponge. And I will also use a loose powder na lang on this. Since happy naman ako dun sa coverage niya, ayoko na ng added coverage. So, gagamit na lang ako ng translucent powder. So, nakapaglagay na ako ng ating loose powder. So, translucent lang din yung aking ginamit. And since okay naman ako sa coverage ng ating concealer, and also, gagamit lang din or maglalagay lang din ako ng ating contour stick para mas magkaroon pa tayo ng dimension sa ating face and mas lumabas pa or mag-pop out pa yung parts kung saan naglagay tayo ng ating concealer. And so, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood guys, yung ating video on how to contour your face for the beginners, then I will link it down below sa description box. So, please make sure na sana is panoorin nyo rin and also, i-like nyo na rin if nagustuhan nyo kung may natutunan man kayo sa ating videos. So, I will just put my contour and also apply the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, so ito na guys, we're back with the rest of our makeup. So, as you can see, na-highlight naman natin yung key points ng ating face. Again, which is yung ating chin, under eye, ating forehead, and of course, yung ating tip or ating nose as well. So, ito na yung ating final look. Alright? So, sana nagustuhan niyo tong video na to guys. And sana may nakuha kayong tips, of course, on how to effectively highlight key points, parts of your face. So, also, kung nagustuhan niyo man ang ating makeup or eye look for today, just like this. Alright, comment down below kayo guys ha kung gusto niyo gawan ko ng separate tutorial. Itong eye look makeup na ito, then I'll be happy to do so guys. So, ayun, thank you so much for watching guys and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video. Please do give this a thumbs up kung na-enjoy nyo man, and also if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!